If you are planning to build a shipping container home with a 40-footer, using two 20-footers would be a better alternative at almost the same cost. In this video, we bring to you an amazing shipping container tiny house by Flexicube. Welcome back. This amazing tiny home is a product of a Polish modular homes company, Flexicube, based on the F30 home model. This luxurious tiny house is made from two 20-foot containers. The two containers are placed side by side and sheared horizontally to create 30 square meters of habitable space. The house is well designed with a mix of modern interiors and industrial aesthetics. Full height sliding glass doors in the docking end of the 20-foot container opens into a studio layout, features an open living space with a lounge, a kitchenette, a one-bedroom, one-bathroom, and a terrace. The kitchenette includes all the essential kitchen appliances, a cooktop, a kitchen sink, and custom-made modern cabinets, giving the kitchen a sleek modern appearance with lots of storage. The kitchen sink sits in front of a large horizontal slit window to light up the sink space with a beautiful framed-out view of the outdoors. Next to the kitchen is a small dining area furnished with a custom dining set that can comfortably seat 4 or more depending on the setup. The dining set can also serve as a workstation or a home's meeting place depending on the need. From the kitchen, a full-height glass door which floods the kitchen space and the dining with natural lighting overlooks the yard at the back. The friendly living space has a cozy love seat, a custom coffee table, and a beautiful rug to define the lounge area. The bedroom setup is separated from the living room by a functional shelf. The bedroom nook is a compact space big enough to accommodate a full-sized bed that can comfortably sleep two. The bed is lifted high off the ground at the window level to create additional storage shelves under the bed. The elevated position of the bed next to the big picture window literally extends the bedroom space and also offers maximum natural lighting. Off the kitchen area, a wide swing door opens into a stylish bathroom. The bathroom is luxurious and spacious with all your essentials, including a fully tiled glass shower cubicle, a toilet, and a vanity area with lots of storage. The house is fitted with glazed openings to provide adequate natural ventilation and daylighting, creating a good, relaxing atmosphere during good weather. The interior walls are painted white to make the spaces appear bigger and look brighter. The container is conceived as a large multi-purpose space that could be converted also into an office space. Hardwood floors throughout the home create a warm, welcoming feel. The house has a big outdoor deck area on the front, a serene outlook, comfortable for a family outdoor living. In contrast to the cool and modern interiors, the house retains the industrial aesthetics on the exterior. The grooves of the raw shipping container walls are visible throughout the exterior and are painted in black, which adds to the industrial style of the container house. This beautiful home is great as a home office, a granny flat, or an Airbnb rental starting at $28 net. Feel free to check it out on Flexicube's official website using the link in the description below. Which part of the house appeals to you the most? Kindly give us your opinion by posting in the comments section below. If you like this video as usual, give it a thumbs up and feel free to share it. Remember to subscribe. Thank you for watching. See you in the next video.